Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to add fonts into Krita. To get font, you can go to 1001freefonts.com's website and you can search for your fonts. For example, I will use this national cartoon font. You can download and extract into your folder. So we have this folder. You can right click and then click install. So it will be automatically installed into your Windows. Open your Krita software and the next I will create new files. Create. In here you can create text by using these tools. Text I will create in here and you can change for the size. I will set into 28. For fonts you can set in here. So I will set for national cartoon. So this for the font. Press enter. It will be automatically changed, and if you don't, click save. So it will be automatically changed into national cartoon font. Okay, that's it. How to add new fonts into Krita. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.